Model, 2012 Renault Master Movano Low Loader Luton 2.3 DCI 125 starts runs needs clutch repair No Vat. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 166217. MOT, the 11th of May 2026. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-125 E4A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Engine and gearbox are perfect. The clutch needs replacement. There is just no drive whatsoever. All gears select fine and engine starts and sounds perfect. Straightforward clutch replacement job, loads of MOT, absolute bargain with no VAT to pay, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle.